Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Sawade. Today is 4th of May 2022 and the topic for the today's video is map in Java. This is my first or original video in this particular topic. So let us see first what is map. So map contains a value on the basis of key, that is the key and the value pair. Each key and value pair is known as an entry. Map contains unique keys, that is unique key and value. Uh, a map is useful if you have to search, update or delete the element on the basis of a key. The map interface is present in java.util package, which represents a mapping between a key and a value. The map interface is not a subtype of the collection interface. Therefore, it behaves a bit differently from the rest of the collection types. Map contains a unique keys. Now, maps are perfect to use for key and value association mapping such as dictionaries. The maps are used to perform lookups by keys or when someone wants to retrieve and update elements by keys. Some common scenarios are as follows. The first is a map of error codes and their descriptions. That is, suppose in our laptop there is one error called CMOS 502. So the 502 is a code and it resets the what we can say that it resets the BIOS update. The second is a map of zip codes and cities. Then a map of manager and employees. So each manager, which is we call as a key, is associated with a list of employees, which we call as a value, which he manages. A map of classes and student. Each class, that is key, is associated with a list of student, that is value. Now we will see the Java map hierarchy. There are two interfaces for implementing map in Java: map and sorted map, and there are three classes, that is hash map, link hash map, and tree map. Now we will see it one by one. Map doesn't allow update or doesn't allow the duplicate keys, but we can have duplicate values. Hash map and link hash map allow null keys and values, but tree map doesn't allow any null key or value. Map can't be traversed, so we need to convert it into set using key set or entry set method. Now we will see the three classes, that is hash map, link hash map, and tree map one by one. So hash map is the implementation of map, but it doesn't maintain any order. Then the second is link hash map. Link hash map is the implementation of map. It inherits hash map class. It maintains insertion order. And the third is tree map. Tree map is the implementation of map and sorted map. It maintains ascending order. Now we will see the map.entry interface. Entry is the sub interface of map. We will be access it by map.entry name, and it returns a collection view of the map whose elements are of this class, and it provides the method to get key and value. Now we will see the three classes, that is tree map, link hash map, and the third one is hash map in details. First we will see in short, but now we will see it in detail. So the first class, that is tree map. So the tree map in Java is used to implement the map interface and navigable map along with the abstract class. The map is sorted according to the natural ordering of its key or by a comparator provided at map creation time, depending on the way of sorting the key value pairs. The sorting order maintained by the tree map must be consistent with equals, just like the other sorted map irrespective of the explicit comparators. Now the second class is the link hash map. So the link hash map is just like hash map with an additional feature of maintaining an order of elements inserted into it. Hash map provided the advantage of quick insertion, search, and deletion but it never maintains the track and order of insertion which the link hash map provides, where the elements can be accessed in their insertion order. And the third one is hash map. So the hash map is a part of Java's collection since Java 1.2. Then it provides the basic implementation of the map interface of Java. Then it stores the data in key or value pair, and to access the value, we must know its key. So this class uses a technique called hashing, and hashing is a technique of converting a large string to a small string that represents the same string. A shorter value helps in indexing and faster searches. So this is all about the map in Java. Thank you.